nagpalit liderato sa Senado, may pag-asa pa ba ang impeachment trial ni VP Sara? Pare, your take on this.
Alam mo, Ted, it is mandated by our constitution, Philippine Constitution, that when a public official like BP Sara or the members of the Supreme Court or even the president was impeached by the lower house, it is mandatory. In Latin law, it's mandamus. It's compelling. And it should constitute as a trial court. So I hope that Senate President Alan Cayetano will really have the balls to constitute as a trial court, because otherwise he is he's not following the mandate of the Constitution. Remember, they in the lower house, they did everything. There was a due process. They collected all the evidence. Okay, they discussed thoroughly the form and substance. They provided all the evidence, the witnesses. So, and the members of the
Ilan ang bumoto?
bumoto ang plenary, 257.
Marami.
At against 25 who voted against.
As against 25.
Yeah, so it's
super majority. Super majority.
Yeah, super majority. Not only 1/3, like 106 legislators.
And now the documents sa impeachment complaint na ito nakarating na sa Senado, di ba?
Yes, nakarating. It arrived at the Senate today.
In fact, before the shooting incident began, di ba? Now, but it's there, hindi namin na nila nandun. So, anong magiging future nito kay Alan Peter Cayetano sa tingin mo?
He's a senator and a lawyer, so he knows that.
Ano ang kanyang pronouncement?
Alam mo, he cannot say categorically, but in the interview, he said that he will convene the Senate as a trial court. But of course, the background of Alan Peter Cayetano, he was the running mate of Rodrigo Duterte. So,
ikaw muna, kailan daw niya i-convene ang Senate as a trial court? Kailan? When will he convene the Senate as a trial court?
According to the report, he's supposed to convene it on Monday.
So, kailan niya sinabi si Senate President Cayetano na mag-umpisa ang impeachment trial? Pare, may ano?
Sa May 18, Ted, Monday.
Malapit na.
Malapit na. Kaya we should be glued to the streaming of Manila media so that to know if it really will push through, because
totoo kaya yan, pare.
Majority is now the DDS majority.
Yeah, I hope na totoo yan kasi
totoo yan.
Alam mo, some people do not trust Senator Cayetano. As said kanina, siya ay solidly identified with the Dutertes, being the vice presidential
running mate,
teammate of his the former president Rodrigo Duterte, di ba?
Correct.
And he has shown his colors na he never wavered in his loyalty to the Dutertes. That's why marami rin ang hindi naniniwala.
Correct.
Sa mga sinasabi niya. At nabinitor ko, meron siyang mahaba-habang konting diskurso. Nung nanalo siyang Senate President, di ba? May mga Bible verses pa siya, di ba? Pero, as is his personality when he delivers his speeches.
Malayo siya sa kanyang father, Ted, si Alan Peter Cayetano. Alam mo, si former Senator
Yan eh,
Cayetano,
Cayetano.
who had also a podcast entitled Compañero. He is well respected. Malayo
Ayun.
siya sa kanyang
I know.
ama.
I know.
Kaya,
Mataas ang ranking niya during the Senate elections eh, senatorial elections.
oo,
Tatay niya.
kaya yung kanyang pronouncements parang walang katuturan eh, compared to his father.
Yeah, exactly. So, May 18, ang sinabi niya.
Correct. Yes.
ah,
At
may-
ang importante nito, Teddy,
Hmm.
show, show the evidence. Kasi no, remember nung panahon ni Erap Estrada at saka si Corona, Chief Justice Corona, yung hindi nila ma-open yung box doon na sa panahon ni Estrada ay nilang buksan yung envelope doon. Yung pala, ang may-ari ng account na yon is Estrada, pero ang sinasabi nila Jose Velarde. Jose Velarde and Estrada are one and the same.
One and the same thing.
And then, doon naman sa panahon ni Chief Justice Corona, siya pala ang may-ari ng 200 million na hindi niya ma-explain kung saan galing. So, ngayon kung itong if they continue the court trial then or impeachment trial, then kung di nila pabuksan yung AMLAC records na nandoon yung SAL-end saka at saka income tax return, baka hindi na mag-trigger ng another people power. Ted, kasi ngayon marami na nagmo-mobilize, remember? May mga the church, the civil society, at progressive society, malamang magkakaroon uli ng EDSA tres kung hindi nila itutuloy yung impeachment trial.
Kaya nga, so marami ngang hindi maniniwala na sa mga sinabi ni Senator Cayetano tungkol sa pagkukonvene niya as an impeachment court ang Senado on May 18.
Correct.
Ang iba ay maaring i-convene niya as a matter of formality. Pero let's watch as the trial goes on kung anong mga legal maneuvers ng majority, ng bagong majority now.
Correct. Hindi ka na just
Pero
set it aside.
maraming hindi naniniwala na tatapusin nila ito.
But of course, Teddy,
Ang isang senaryo ng mga iba ay they will delay this trial. They will convene the trial, but they will delay it until God knows when. Baka mag-election na sa 2028, hindi pa tapos yung impeachment trial. May mga
Correct.
ganyang senaryo na lumalabas. Kasi, kung sila ang control pa rin ang majority sa Senado,
But Ted, they cannot just ignore the public opinion.
I know. Pero, alam mo, pakapalan ng mukha rin ito, pare. Diba?
Oo, pero
alam mo, there are politicians na makakapal ang mukha, pare. And,
precisely,
you know, and they know how to fool the people.
but Ted, there's a saying that you can fool a person once or twice, but you cannot fool the people or a person
All the time.
most of the time.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Kaya I hope na, you cannot blame people in mistrusting Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Dahil meron siyang record in the past na
Correct.
mga pronouncements niya, they appear so much grandiose and very beautiful, di ba? Ang ganda dahil may mga Bible verses pa, di ba?
Pero
And
it's still unpalatable.
He appears so much believable. Pero, as days go by, napapansin ng mga ibang tao hindi naman niya napupulfill ang mga sinasabi niya. Di ba? So,
Meron siyang,
you cannot blame those people not to trust him.
oh yeah.
One of them, si Senator Trillanes, di ba? Former
Yeah.
Senator Trillanes. Sinabi niya, pare, and allow me to quote. Maganda yung sinabi niya. Nandito. I know the guy, referring to Senator Cayetano, but I will no longer be deceived.
Correct.
He will keep on creating constitutional crisis after another and try to cover all these things by using Bible verses
Mhm.
and legal jargons
Mhm.
and project as if he's the one doing the right thing.
Correct.
And
Yeah.
of course,
Yeah. Yeah.
well,
Take it to the people anymore.
Trillanes was a member of the Philippine Senate and they were together there with uh, Senator Cayetano. So, alam niya kung anong kalidad ni Senator Cayetano. So,
Correct. Ang rule of thumb
you can
there,
draw your conclusions from what he
yeah.
said.
Pero ang rule of thumb there, Ted, is either to acquit or convict. You acquit the current president, vice president, if there's so much evidence, or to convict her, I should say, if there's so much evidence and testimonies from the witnesses, or to acquit him or her if she needs to be acquitted. So, two things yun, either acquit or convict.
Exactly. And if the present leadership and composition of the majority in the Senate ay hindi mapapalitan.
Correct, yeah.
And if they remainder until the end of the trial, what is your prediction? Acquittal or conviction?
Conviction or acquittal. If,
Precisely.
precisely.
And so what happens? Next, kung ganon, mag-aalsa ang taong bayan, right?
Oh, yes, if it's so glaring,
Yeah.
Ted, or it's so obvious, then acquit. But if there's no enough evidence, then yeah, acquit. But if so much evidence, then convict, because there are voluminous, voluminous evidence.
Well, nakita natin lahat yung
Oh,
impeachment hearings
yes,
sa House, di ba? Nung, lalo na yung pag-appearance ng director ng AMLAC, di ba?
yes.
Sinight
All
niya yung
corroborated.
sinight niya yung mga billion, 6.7 billion, di ba?
Yeah,
Based on the bank transactions
yeah,
of the vice president and her husband.
yeah.
So
It's
what
all
more evidence?
corroborated,
What more
Ted.
glaring evidence than that?
Yeah,
Now, let's just watch kung ano ang magiging depensa ng legal team naman ni
oh, and they
ni
have
Vice President
battery.
Sara Duterte, and
Yeah,
she is entitled to that naman.
yeah, yeah, of course.
Depensa ang sarili niya. So hintayin natin 'yan.
Yeah,
Sana darating
yeah,
sa parteng 'yan.
yeah. And remember, Ted, they have a battery of legal luminaries who
Yeah.
are well known in the country, in the Philippines.
Yes.
Pero 16 yata yun.
Kay Sara.
Oo. Kaya, kaya it remains to be seen.
Yeah, but they will be facing a hard job defending the
Correct,
vice
yeah.
president.
How
How will
can you dispute?
they explain the unexplained Orten wealth issue
Correct, yeah.
facing her in the face of the testimony of the AMLAC director?
Yeah.
Diba?
It,
I cannot imagine how they can answer
defend
that.
or
Pero it's interesting to find out. Baka naman may tinatago silang magandang depensa. But so let's wait for that to happen.
Let's wait for that.
Kung
Time.
matutuloy sa puntong yan,
Correct, yeah.
reservation pa rin tayo.
Yes.
Kasi kung baka to glaring, as you said, the evidence and it's hard to defend, baka hindi tuloy ang trial. That's the problem.
Correct, yeah.
Whatever it is, matuloy man o hindi, mag-alsa balutan ng taong bayan.
Ay, siyempre. Katulad ng two impeachment spectacles na former Chief Justice Corona and former President Estrada. Pero yung mga iba naman, sina Gutierrez, they just resigned, you know. So, kung they cannot take it, they cannot stand the heat in the kitchen, then they should get out of the kitchen.
Pero kung pare, matanong kita.
Yeah.
Halimbawa, mag-people power ang taong bayan. Pag naging niloloto yung impeachment trial, impeachment complaint against Vice President Duterte. Pag mag-alsa balutan sila, mag-people power sila against Vice President. So what happens?
Then she has no recourse but to resign that presidency.
Exactly. Baka naman yun ang senaryo na gustong mangyari ni na Cayetano et al. Na mag-resign. Kung mag-resign, kung resignation ang kahinatnan ng impeachment trial, hindi matuloy, inakwit, tapos people power, nag-resign, they have already achieved their objective, which is, pwede pa rin siyang tumakbo.
Sino si
Sara, kasi nag-resign lang.
Hindi
wala
na.
Wala pang conviction.
Hindi. If she resigned,
Walang conviction.
Then there's no more chance for her to go back because she resigned already. Now, ang scenario,
You know what I mean? Sa election, sa 2028, pwede pa rin siyang tumakbo.
She resigned and she will be disbarred from running again.
No, pero hindi siya kinonvict.
Ay, kung hindi siya kinonvict, then she will continue as vice president.
Hindi, kamo. Hindi. You said kanina na what if either i-delay para hindi matapos ang impeachment trial or kaya tapusin nila pero i-acquit si Vice President Sara Duterte. And as an aftermath of that, there will be a public uproar. Mag-people power ng mga tao kontra sa Vice President. And she has no recourse but to resign.
Correct, yes.
So hindi na siya uupo as Vice President, pero pwede pa rin siyang tumakbo sa 2028 as President. And that might be the objective ng grupo ni Cayetano. Pabor sa kanila yon, yung people power.
So,
kasi nag-people power dahil ayaw ng tao yung ginagawa ng Senate majority under Cayetano. Dahil either inakwit o dinilay. So, napilitan nag-resign si VP Sara, di ba? So, resignation lang. Walang conviction.
Resignation lang.
Walang conviction.
Oo nga pala, no?
Walang conviction.
Walang conviction.
Inakwit siya. O tapos nag-resign. Dahil nag-people power.
Okay.
Nag-people power ang tao dahil inakwit siya.
Okay.
Nag-resign. Pero, pwede pa rin tumakbo sa 2028 pare.
Pero kung ako...
Baka sa worst case scenario, in the eyes of the defense team, yun ang gusto nilang ma-achieve. Maaring ma-quit or ma-delay ang trial at mag-people power. So, pag na-trigger nila ang people power, the next best thing for Vice President Estrada Duterte to do is to resign. And then, pwede pa rin siyang tumakbo sa 2028. Hindi siya kinunbik eh.
I see.
You know, see?
Yeah, so, that's...
Talo pa rin ang taong bayan diyan sa under the leadership of Senator Cayetano pag siya ang mamuno sa Senado at ang kanyang 13 member majority including himself and Bato will vote to acquit
scenario.
Or delay.
That's an interesting scenario, Ted. Pero ang ibig sabihin, kakapalan mo ang mukha mo na tatakbo ka uli.
Ang kakapal ng mukha ng mga politiko natin sa Pilipinas, pare.
Hindi ka nahihiya?
Dito sa Amerika o kaya sa ibang countries, mag-resign na yung mga yon. Yung mga involved
Oo.
sa flood control scandal, pero makapal ang mukha, di ba?
Oo nga. Eh,
Hindi sila magre-resign yun.
Hindi katulad sa Singapore, Ted, na
Exactly. In
sa
other countries,
Singapore, nagpapakamatay yung mga
at
kondon.
other countries, magpapakamatay o mag-resign. Pero
Yes.
walang magre-resign na politiko sa
Oh,
Pilipinas
dahil
pa
makakapal.
until their last breath.
Oh my goodness.
Parang journalist na nagsusulat hanggang sa he will until he dies, di ba?
Oh
Kagaya
my
natin.
goodness. But, but
Kasi ganyan ang politiko natin sa
oh,
Pilipinas. Well, fuera de los buenos, of course, may mga
yeah.
maninipis ang mukha naman sa kanila, but not, I think, in the present composition of the Senate, makakapal ang mukha lahat yan. Correct
Kaya
me if I'm wrong.
kaya wala nang pag-asa ang Pilipinas kung ganyan, Ted, ano?
Exactly, so we need a new
Generation.
generation of leaders.
Yeah.
Itong nabuksan na graft and corruption na to the highest uh, figures, billions,
Yeah.
including kay Vice President Sara Duterte. They must be erased from the political map.
Yeah.
What I mean is, dapat mawala na sila sa eleksyon. I mean, dapat matalo na sila.
Oh.
Pero
Pero,
ewan ko, kung nagising na ang taong bayan, yan ang problema natin.
pero,
Well, ah, dapat ang mga kabataan ng mag pasimula sa
correct.
change. Sa
At
marami
saka,
sila.
Ted,
Marami
siguro,
sila.
siguro alam mo, marami pang dapat gawin ng Kongreso, both the House and the Senate, to enact laws also to remove or eliminate the family dynasty. Remember, it was
Also,
certified by President Bongbong Marcos
yes,
that uh, Congress should enact the anti-dynasty bill.
exactly. Pero alam mo,
Kaya kung pare-pareho pa rin ang
hindi mangyayari
tumatakbo
yan
ng mga
kasi under the present political culture, ang Congress, both houses, political dynasties, left and right. Both
yeah,
houses, Senate and the lower
yeah.
house. Sila rin ang, they are the ones responsible to initiate and
Mm.
enact a legislation contra political
Katulad nito,
dynasty.
Ted, ano ba?
Will they
Halimbawa,
create a law against themselves? Yan ang
yeah.
problema.
Katulad itong si dalawang magkapatid na Villar.
Oh,
Kung sana yung Agos, kwan, para silang
exactly.
butterflies, ano ba? At biro mo, I never heard them deliver a privileged speech or to interpolate. Si Mark Villar at saka si Camille Villar, ano ha?
Ano na yung babae, parang amoy gatas pa ang labi Bakit pinilit ng tatay niya na pataguin ng
Oo,
senador?
parang mga walang delikadesa, ano ha?
Nung araw kasi, yung mga merong sterling performance sa lower house, sila ang nagiging senador.
Correct.
Ewan ko, wala akong nakitang
Wala.
remarkable performance niya sa lower house nung araw,
O,
yung babae na Villar. I mean,
pati ngayon
yung
sa
anak niya ng
Senado,
babae.
magkapatid.
Pati si Mark, ginawang Department of Public Works and Highways kaya nagkaroon ng pangalan,
Oo.
secretary. And yet he has no, well, I don't know, but
Pero,
was a political
pero
protege dahil, alam mo na, tumulong sa campaign fund siguro si tatay nila kay Duterte nung araw. So, yan ang reward. Naging Secretary of Public Works
yeah,
si Mark.
kaya wala, parang wala nang pag-asa ang Pilipinas, Ted. Kaya,
Kaya nang sinasabi natin ng mga naunang vlog natin, wala na yung araw na puro magagaling lang nasa Senado.
correct.
Puro may utak.
May utang.
Puro mga utak, mga outstanding Pilipinos.
Oo, ngayon wala. Wala kang may pagmamalaki.
Wala eh. Mga,
Wala kang may pagmamalaki, Ted.
wala eh. Mga artista na lang. May pagmamalaki mo ba yan?
Wala. Tinan mo, pag magsalita si, si Robin Hood, Padilla,
Lalo na, walang training yun sa politika eh.
oo,
Kahit barangay councilman siguro, hindi pa nag-umpisa yan eh. At marami sila, well, hindi lang artista. To be fair with them, marami rin hindi artista sa kanila.
oo.
Na they're not the best.
Wala kang may
The best.
pagmamalaki.
They're not the best among the best of Filipinos. So I long and I crave for the time na puro mga the best of the best Filipinos, the cream of the
The
crop,
cream of the crop.
ang nasa Senado. Like, the likes of Tanyada, di ba?
Oh yeah.
Yok, no? Di ba?
Wala, ngayon wala.
Sino pa? Daming magagaling ng araw.
Soc Rodrigo,
Soc
Senator
Rodrigo.
Aquino,
Name it yan.
Manahan,
Bibihira,
Manglapos,
bibilang mo sa I mean,
Padilla,
dalawa lang
Ambrosio
siguro na
Padilla.
nakalusot na hindi outstanding.
Wala.
But now, karamihan, hindi outstanding. Yung iba, completely member ng Committee on Silence. Ang dami nila.
Marami. Committee on Silence. Um,
So, dapat i-challenge natin ng mga kabataan na kailangan na maging aktibo kayo.
yeah.
You'll be inheriting this kind of setup. So, palitan nyo yung mga taong yan sa susunod na election.
Yeah.
Okay, pare.
Okay.
Time is up. Again, congratulations sa pagkapanalo mo bilang Filipino-American Journalist of the Year. At nauna dito ay naging nanalo ka bilang presidente ng Philippine Global Media Group. At meron pang isa.
Member of the
You were
City Celebrations
appointed
Committee
by
ng
the
City
new
of
mayor of
Cerritos.
Cerritos, California as a member of the Celebrations Committee. Pare, when it rains, it pours. Okay, magpaalam na tayo.
Kinakabayan tayo ng Almighty God, Ted. So,
Yeah.
these are blessings to us, to this humble
Yeah, I know.
servant.
Exactly.
Okay, we'll
Okay.
say goodbye now. So, mga kababayan, magkikita ulit tayo pagkatapos ng impeachment trial, kung matutuloy ito sa Lunes, May 18. So, asan po uli kayo na manood sa aming programa para maghatid uli ng mga pahayag, mga kuro-kuro sa susunod naming pagbigay ng aming podcast.
Okay, mga kaibigan, at gaya ng sinabi ni Dan, hintayin natin ang developments sa impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte. At mag-uumpisa daw ang Senado as an impeachment court sa May 18. Sa Lunes. Lunes ba yun?
Yes.
So, let's wait for that to happen, and then after that, babalik kami ni Dan dito sa inyong programang Buhay Pinoy sa Amerika here at Orodeo TV channel. Okay.
Right.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Next time.